Guess what? All of the eggs from these birds got mixed up. And so now the mommy birds do not know where their baby birds are. They need your help. So you are going to choose an egg, crack it open, and then put the baby bird in the right nest. All right, are you ready to get to work? So the first thing we have to do is choose an egg to crack open. So I have a blue egg and a yellow egg. Which one do you want to crack open? The blue one? Okay. All right. Oops, this is the blue one. I'm so silly. Okay, now you have to give me your sentence with good sounds, and then we will crack open this egg. All right, are you ready? We're going to work on your G sound. So here's your sentence. Tell me, I will go get a good egg. Very good. I like how you said go, get, and good. Those were great sounds. Okay, let's crack open this egg and see what comes out. Oh, something's ready to fly out. Here it comes. Oh, look, it's a baby owl. All right, so where should we take this baby owl? Do you see its mother? Right here, huh? All right, let's do that sound again. Say, go in the nest, baby bird, go in the nest. So here we go. We're going to put this baby bird right here in the nest. That is so great. All right, let me find another egg for you. This one looks a little bit different than our other egg. Look, you can choose a red egg or a blue egg. Which one should we crack open this time? Do you want to crack open the red one? Okay, here we go. Are you ready? We got to do our sentence first. So we're going to work on our L sound for this one. So tell me, say, let me look inside this large egg for a little bird. Good job. Try that sentence for me. Let me, good. Look, good job. In the large egg. Good. And can we do a little bit more? Try for a little bird. You got it. Okay, we're going to crack open the egg. Are you ready? Here comes the bird. Oh, look at that bird. Can you find this bird's mother? Where does it, should it fly over here? Where should it go? Oh, it goes over here. Here's the mommy bird. Say, little bird, get in the nest. Oh, here it goes. It is so happy to be there with its mom. Good job. All right, let's crack open one more egg. Are you ready? So we can crack open the yellow egg or the pink egg. Which one do you want to crack open? The yellow one? All right, let's do it. Well, we have to give a good sentence, remember? So this time we're going to do our ch sound. So you're going to say, give me a chance to choose a choice egg. All right, you ready? Let's do it so we can crack open this egg. Give me a chance, good job, to choose a choice egg. Nice work. Okay, here we go. Let's crack it open. And what bird is inside this one? Oh, it's the pink flamingo. All right, so tell this bird, say, go find your mom. Yes, get in there. Here we go. We're going to put it right up here in the nest. Look at that. All the baby birds. Well, we didn't find eggs for these two, maybe next time, but thank you for finding the moms for the baby birds. You did a great job.